SantosierPotentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study po the book of John Gay. What your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. So, ano ba yung lesson natin today? How Bonnie helped me be successful. So, si Bonnie po is yung wife ni Sir John Gray. So, kasi there was a story before, diba, yung sa restaurant, they were looking for a restaurant. Sabi niya, Bonnie was able to help me be successful through a variety of advanced relationship skills. So, kung nare-remember natin, parang hindi lang basta pinilit ni Miss Bonnie kung ano yung restaurant na gusto niya. They went through a process. They made a lot of choices. Nakaano sila nito, a vacation, if I'm not mistaken, in a foreign country, kung Italy ba yan, or sa another country po na parang it's lunchtime, they were hungry already, parang ano na, no? So, parang siya daw hindi pa siya gutom, pero the mere fact na naghahanap ng restaurant yung wife niya and children, so pinagbigyan niya, and out of that naging grateful yung anak niya at asawa niya, so everybody happy, kumbaga. So parang feeling niya doon successful siya kasi naging happy yung kanyang family. By letting me know in advance that she was hungry, she made it very easy for me to pick the right restaurant. So yun, kesa magtiis-tiis tayo, mag-sacrifice, gutom na pala tayo, hindi tayo kumikibose. Phase to communicate right, di ba? As a result, I was more involved with her while we ate. I felt as if we were providing a special meal for my loved ones. After they ate, nga, Bonnie and Lauren, yung child na, thanked me. Both felt happy and taken care of, but I feel appreciated and more successful. So, simple eating lang, no? Just because there's collaboration, parang it brings happiness to everyone. Kesa yung someone is hurt kasi hindi siya napansin, hindi siya na-appreciate, but everybody happy. So, when a woman hasn't been taught these skills, her options are limited. She will tend to react in one of the more common ways. So, how do we react? Number one, she will talk about the problem. Number two, she will share her feelings about the problem. Number three, she will solve the problem on her own. Number three, she will patiently wait for him to solve the problem. So, these opinions are all expression of common sense and love. She cannot instinctively understand why with a man they could be counterproductive in a relationship. So, bakit nga po ba na nagkakaroon pa rin ng conflict? So, when a woman talks about a problem, sabi ni Sir John Gray, a man often hears only the complaint and feel criticized. So, parang akala nung man, no, ina-accuse na natin siya eh. Parang, kaya nga it pays to listen, sabi nga. When a woman share her feelings about a problem that she wants solved soon, a man feels controlled as if she were demanding him to do it. When a woman solves the problem without his involvement, he remains disengaged, intimacy lessons. So, pag hindi daw po natin i-involve yung partner natin sa pagsasolve ng problem natin, feeling natin ay or feeling ng man is hindi siya part ng life mo kasi parang feeling niya, kaya mo naman pala eh, bakit pa ako ma-involve? Kasi hindi natin kinonsolve or hindi natin siya pinaparticipate. When she waits for him to solve the problem, she may wait too long and begin to feel resentful. When he sends her resentment, he feels unappreciated and doesn't want to solve the problem. So yun po, pagka daw pag nakita niyang parang hindi ka na kinukonsult ng iyong wife, eh parang feeling ng man unappreciated siya and hindi na siya lalong tumutulong. So, yan. Yun yung scenario that pag nag-react tayo to problems, kumbaga, we just really have to involve each other or ask each other his opinion. Hindi lang parang go ka lang ng go. Parang, anyway, there will be detailed discussion of the 4 reactions that we have in the coming videos. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.